The fledgling company, led by a brave band of pioneers, grew steadily, breaking records every year to build a genuinely Indian answer to the nation's challenge of energy security. Indian Oil is the #1 ranked Indian company in the prestigious Fortune Global 500 listing. The company today is widely recognized for its leadership and straddles every link on the hydrocarbon value chain through its diversification into petrochemicals, gas marketing and transportation, E&P and renewable energy alternatives. The company's globalization forays in Sri Lanka, Mauritius and West Asia have been hugely successful. Indian Oil is the largest refiner in the country. It has the widest network of crude and petroleum products pipelines and has a dominant market share for petroleum products. Indian Oil is capable of utilizing almost any type of crude with sophisticated refining technology which few can match. To ensure supplies in remote areas, Indian Oil has built a formidable network of distribution hubs, reaching petroleum products to every nook and corner of the country. Through a large network of crude, product and gas pipelines, the company has the complete know-how from concept to commissioning of pipeline projects. Indian Oil popularized LPG and changed the way people cooked. Servo, Indian Oil's world-class lubricant brand, has an unbeatable range for industrial, automotive and agricultural applications. Indian Oil pioneered the concept of low-cost rural retail outlets called Kisan Seva Kendra to reach out to rural India, taking fuels and other services to the very doorsteps of village folk. Indian Oil stands shoulder to shoulder with the defense forces in defending the nation. Standing ground in the face of adversity, unflinching, fighting against the odds are values that IOCLs treasure. In the petrochemical segment, Indian Oil has already transformed the market through its wide range of polymers through customer-centric marketing. Backed by a world-scale naphtha cracker, Indian Oil's Propel range of petrochemicals is steadily carving out a formidable presence. Indian Oil scientists and technologists have developed several innovative refining solutions and pioneered catalysts that have saved the country valuable foreign exchange. In addition, Indian Oil has also commercialized several patents, innovated tribology solutions to a wide range of applications, as well as enhanced the intellectual capital of the industry. Indian Oil R&D has also provided indigenized technology solutions and emerged as one of the world's leading hydrocarbon and renewable energy research centers. Indian Oil's newest refinery on the east coast at Paradip is strategically located and expected to be a game changer in the industry. The magnitude of the entire project and complexity, its advanced technological applications and strategic location makes it one of the most incredible project management milestones of the oil industry in the country. Beyond this, the company has been focused on the overall betterment of society through its various welfare and heritage programs like the Indian Oil Rural Mobile Healthcare, scholarships or the Indian Oil Foundation, providing basic needs for the underprivileged in exchange for smiles that are our happiness dividend in the balance sheet. In a world of increasing challenges, we are committed to the sustainable development of India. We are committed to providing the impetus for inclusive growth with care for the environment and decreasing carbon footprint. In essence, we are committed to investing for the future. And when India stands on the cusp of greatness, we will be there with you. When millions of Indians seek efficient energy to build a promising future, we will leave no stone unturned to make it happen. When the most powerful force in the world is your dreams, we will be there to color the horizon green. Because we are Indian Oil, relentlessly driven by you in our mind for over 5 decades. Indian Oil, treasuring the trust of over 1 billion Indians.